Mobike Low 26 Moped Electric Bike Smart Folding Bike E-Bike, White EU Plug Germany. 350W motor provides the max 30 km per hour speed and max 35-degree gradient. 10.4 Ah 48V Li-ion battery, included in product, for max 40 km mileage with pure electric mode and 70 km mileage with moped mode. 26-inch inflatable rubber tire for different grounds. Folding design, folding size. 103x37x104 cm, for convenient carrying. Pedal mode, moped mode, and pure electric mode for choose. LED front light to ride at night safely. Aluminum alloy shell for max 150 kg payload. Suitable for adults and teenagers. Parameters. Wheel size. 26-inch. Motor rated power. 350W. Battery rated power. 499W. Battery. 10.4 Ah Li-ion battery. Charge time. 4 hours. Maximum speed. 30 km per hour. Maximum load. 150 kilograms. Input voltage. 110-240V. Brake mode, front rear disc brake. Transmission, Shimano 21 speed. Instrument, central LCD instrument with USB function. Fender, PVC mudguard. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button below. Share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.